Hey guys, Billy Jenkins here with Silver Creek Doodles. Today we wanted to give an update on Miss Green Collar and Katie's litter. So we're just getting out of the vet. So we took Miss Green Collar back to get rechecked. So it's 6 weeks old. She had a grade 1 heart murmur on the left side. Well, then we took her a week later at 7 weeks and it was the same. And then we just took her at 8 weeks, so a week later, and it is gone. So after the doctor took a listen to it and he said he didn't hear it, he did get a second opinion just to make sure, because I told him that there was a family that had already purchased her that was picking her up today. So they also confirmed that it was gone. So that is super exciting. So it is common, well, it can be common, especially for doodles and the smaller breeds, to have heart murmurs as young puppies. Most of the time they outgrow it. We've never had, well, we haven't had a heart murmur in years on any of our puppies. And when we did have them in the past, they, it fixed itself on its own by the time they were 8 weeks old and by the time they went home. So kind of what this girl's thing had done. So super exciting. I'm super happy for her. Of course, she showed no issues or anything like that, but we want to make sure that, that she is a healthy and happy girl. So the family's actually, they knew we had the appointment today. They are going to be picking her up. They should be here in about 20 minutes. So that is exciting too. They were aware, are you sweeping? They were aware that it might not be gone yet, and to keep an eye on it, but it's gone. So that worry is over. So we had also been giving, so my vet is holistic, and this is one of the supplements that they had me give. They covered the front label with the label, obviously, but this is the Cardio Pro K-Line and Feline. Of course, for her size, because she doesn't weigh 30 pounds yet, she's getting the Feline dose, which is half a day. So super exciting. We will continue this, obviously, since we already have it. She's getting a half a day, so she will continue that until the bottle is gone. What do you think, Miss Pris? Super exciting. I just wanted to hop on today and kind of tell you guys that it is gone, because I know a lot of people actually had worried about her and wanted me to give an update. So that sounds good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.